Continuing with the Web Dev Learning path with the JavaScript challenge. So remember your goal. You need evidence of your knowledge, which will be shown through your reference site and portfolio. For task number 1, add 5 pages to your reference site. Data types, functions and logic, the DOM events and styling elements, and useful functions. On the JavaScript data page include naming, comments, and clean code conventions, primitive versus reference, so types, numbers, strings, arrays, objects, etc., special objects, date and math and symbols, nesting and destructuring and prototypes, false versus true values, type conversion and coercion, and classes, components, and modules. On the functions and logic page include function types, hoisting and scope, declaration versus arrow functions, parameters, arguments, and high-order functions, array functions, promises, async and callback functions, chaining methods, logic operators and ternary operators, switch statements and loops, break and continue statements. On the DOM page include the window and document, ID and class selectors and dataset attributes, DOM traversal, DOM methods, event listeners, browser storage and cookies, address bar, URL, and parameters. And on the useful functions page, here add any functions which you come across which you think will be beneficial at a later time. So add common functions which you think you'll be able to reuse later to speed up your development. And task 2, a component header. Create a vanilla JavaScript header component, then add your header and page navigation links to the component, and then insert the component on all your reference website pages. As you have seen, editing the page links is tedious, as you need to continuously update each page. By using a component, you only need to update the changes in one place. These following tasks will be included in a component section of your portfolio to demonstrate your JavaScript programming skills. So a date picker component. So allow users to change months, year, and language, style the selected dates and ranges, and display the selected dates. So don't forget to design this nicely for your portfolio and try to improve the user experience of your components. Take them to the next step. Okay, try to create a toggle animation component. Create a toggle dark switch, which animates when clicked, for example, a dark light theme. And a calculator component, perform the basic functions, apply the BODMAS rules, show the sum entered and answer, add a clear and backspace button. But again, go the next step, take it to the next level, and really improve the UX experience. Okay, task 6, create a stylish slideshow component, either time or user activated, with attractive features and a continuous looping through of images. Task 7, add functionality to your 3 portfolio websites from your CSS challenge. And remember, tasks 3 to 6 are for your portfolio. Make sure they work correctly and are nicely designed and your programming, not someone else's. These will be added to a component subsection of your portfolio. And these tasks are to demonstrate your ability to create functionality. You may research how to do things, but the code base must be yours. Do not follow tutorials for these tasks. Any tutorials you do can be added to a completed tutorial section of your portfolio if you wish, but they do not reflect your own ability to program. You can also create a game or any other interesting widgets that demonstrate your skills instead of these or as well as these. But most importantly, make sure you demonstrate skills that are sought after. It is essential that you have a good control of dates and calculations, so you might want to demonstrate those skills. So if you know of any great sites or see there are some essential JavaScript topics I missed, please share them in the comments. And for now, enjoy adding functionality to your website, and we will see you in the next video.